Audio desync in Valorant can be frustrating, but there are several quick fixes you can try to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the audio settings in Valorant and ensure that the audio output device is correctly set. Make sure you are using the right headphones or speakers and that the volume levels are appropriate. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Ensure that your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or motherboard and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can often resolve audio issues. Step 3. Disable audio enhancements. Right-click the sound icon in the system tray and select Sounds. Under the Playback tab, select your audio device, click Properties, and then go to the Enhancements tab. Check the box for Disable all enhancements and click OK. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. In Valorant, go to the Settings menu and try changing the audio quality settings. Lowering the quality can sometimes reduce desync issues. Experiment with different settings to find what works best for your system. Step 5. Restart the game. If you still experience audio desync after making adjustments, try restarting Valorant. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches and restore proper audio synchronization. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate audio desync in Valorant. Enjoy your gaming!